figured I'd share my not so secret, semi-secret tactic to perfect banana bread. This trick gives the banana bread a nice buttery crust and keeps it really moist, and the best part about it is you can bake it in less than half the time. I put the timer on for 19.5 minutes, and then I let it rest for 5 minutes, and you'll see why in just a second. So go ahead and use whatever banana bread recipe you like. To be honest, I don't really give a shit as long as they don't have nuts. Here's the real secret, is you're gonna cook your banana bread in your favorite cast iron pan. When you preheat your oven, you wanna preheat the cast iron with your oven. By the way, if you're gonna do this in the cast iron, you're gonna need a little bit extra butter. Frozen bananas. They make us make a custard. It's time. Very, very carefully take your cast iron out of your oven and set it on probably your stove. I'm not telling you what to do, but stove is the best. Now this is where your extra butter is going to really come in handy. Give your favorite cast iron a nice little butter massage. You want to do this as quick as possible so you don't lose the heat, because the fact that it's preheated is what allows us to cook our banana bread for such a short time. Goes in. This is right. Just going to very carefully, again, because this cast iron pan is 300 degrees, slide it back in your oven. The cool part is when you take it out of the oven, it will continue to cook in the cast iron, so you want it to be a little bit underdone so you can let it sit for just a second and, you know, finish off on the inside. Let's give it a good jiggle. We got to give it the jiggle test. You want it to jiggle. That's all you want it to do. I need to get some cooler oven mitts. There we go. There's that jiggle we're looking for. That is just perfect. Careful, the pan is still very hot. There we go. Holy crap, that came out beautifully. There you go. That is the secret to my epic banana bread. Now you can make 2 more friends.